You're doing okay. Nice, nice. Ito magandang training na to. Ito talaga mountain bike sa bundok talaga. Sila, walang problema yan. Your time. Good. Nice, nice, nice. 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 Sure got that? Tama. Oo. Practice na to eh. Ito na yung practice mo eh. Control lang. Yung sabi kong control lang. Control lang. He's doing okay. He's doing good. Ha? Sige, kung hindi pwede, hindi na lang. Roots.
Oh, me and Jayma here, it was all ice.
Holy.
Oh, I had no brakes too.
Skating all over the place.
Oh, it's just point. Na-testing yung bagong bike.
Oo, hindi ka naman pala ikon dito sa harap, no?
Kaya nga,
Takot ako baka
itapon ka?
Hindi. Kaya nga sabi ko, sa likod ka lang.
Mag-squat ka. Yung kagaya ng
Body position. Pasayaan mo lang yung harapan, mag-play lang yan eh. Steady mo lang, yung control. Control mo lang. Okay ka rin, hindi ka maano.
Dito, we get a little far.
Okay.
May alam mo yung sticks, parang arrow.
Oo.
Because there's not really, it's not like this.
Okay.
To get to the top.
So what do you think?
No, it's good though. Spare. What's that? That's some scoop.
pala to.
Oh, ito talaga mountain biking.
Pag matutunan ng
May tao.
practice lang ako ng ganito.
You guys can go ahead.
Pero
Oh.
pinakauna ko tayo na may ganun.
Ah. Kasi sa video, kung titignan mo yung video ko, parang madali lang, di ba?
Oo. Pero maganda.
Oo.
Na sanay-sanay pa siguro mga ilang
Ah, 3 ride okay na.
squat.
Text ka lang, basta weekend.
Weekend.
Oh.
Libre ako pag weekend.
Ha?
Libre ako pag
Ah.
weekend.
Ah,
Text ka lang. Ah.
magiging dan din to, addict.
Tama.
Bigla na naman to, Monday, Tuesday.
Wala pa.
Doon.
Oh. That's why I asked him to bring us to this trail. Because it's our first time for our group to come over here. This is different scenery in Moose. Because Moose just straight downhill.
Ah, yan, nababa mo na yan.
Ah.
Pag nababa mo itong maayos, kayang-kaya niya family.
Oh.
Chicken.
Ah.
Pwede na siya tito.
Oh.
Ilang beses pa siguro to.
Oh.
Pag ganito.
Oh.
Ay, medyo ano.
Medyo may kwan pa ako eh. May kaba pa ako na kwan eh.
Oh.
Ay, oo, pero
Yung inisip ko
yung
pa-
kaba mo, huwag mong anuhin yung the same time
Ah.
matayo ka.
Ah.
Matayo ka. Boom.
Tayo ka tapos yung sabi ko lang likod ang
Squat lang.
hayaan mo lang yung front magplay.
Ah.
Tapos maghanap ka ng linya na kita mo na kaya sa shock. Kasi talagang kakainin lang sa shock niyan eh. Tapos steady lang. Wag kang kaganon sa manabili na mag twist.